Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 70 Chevy El Camino. A nice driving car, good looking car, California car, so nice and rust free. We just put some new Boyd Coddington wheels on it. There you can see BF Goodrich radial TAs. Good looking wheel on there, 350 automatic. Had a recent repaint by the previous owner. You can see it's got a good shine to it. Somebody nicked it right there. Got a couple little chips right there. Otherwise, car's in nice shape. Interior's good. Automatic, non-air car, but interior doesn't need anything. Bed liner in the bed. Maybe on a little thing right there. Same deal. Somebody probably got close to it, a parking lot. Like I said, good tread on the tires. Not too many issues here to show you on a walk around video. Just a nice car. These El Caminos are getting to be better, and they're better in value all the time, higher in value, so they're really a good investment, you know. Little thing on the original molding, but I'll take that. I'll take an original molding over a Chinese one any day. So they're just a lot better quality. A little water got in there when I washed it. So, you know, they did a pretty good job here. Got a little bit on that, on the molding there, you know, so that's just, they didn't take the windows off, but you're not buying a show quality car. This car is nice enough that I think if you wanted to show it, you could. In smaller car shows it would do good because it's a good looking car. So runs and drives great. We'll see my running video and my driving video. Any questions? 605-695-7391.